Machiegni kendo nya kwa Ramogi pod wantiere chenro mar Migago kawdhi nyime wero ni jopuonjre e kar tiegruok ma Sigalagala kanyakla kod riwruok mar oganda ochako chenro mar choko taulo mag ria maromo milion 10 mondo gichiw ni nyiri sikunde mopogore opogore ka giloso e boma ma Kakamega. Seche mane gichako chenro no giwacho ni ne gikawo okang'no bang' fwenyo ni thoth nyiri nigi chandruok e nyiewo taulogo mag ria ahinya to e sechegi ma chumio idho ka bende gidwaro chako pidho yien riwruok e ng'wech ka achiel gi mag ndigni ka achiel kod uso sede mondo giting' malo chenro mar choko taulo. Kata kamano gidwaro jo Samaria mang'won mondo chiwre e konyogi chopo chenro ni mar nyiewo taulo mondo omi gichop kwan ma gidwaro mar milion 10.
We are undergoing hardship economically. When I sat down together with my team, the committee of Benofla Solutions, we were trying to imagine if at the moment a parent can be given an option between paying school fees, offering shelter, then food, and buying her daughter or his daughter a packet of sanitary towel. I'm sure that parent will opt to buy food and school fees now that there is these hard economical times in the country. We want to invite the general public, any volunteer partner to come on board so that we can realize our goal of mobilizing for 10 million sanitary pads and distributing the same to the schools around Western Kenya, from junior secondary school to the high schools.
We've come as youths to ensure that the girl child, who is our major concern at the school level and also at the community, is well provided with a conducive environment when it comes to learning, so that there is no hindrance when it comes to getting education. We hope and also support this initiative through our models, through the school, and we are also going to call upon other students who are going to chip in and also support this initiative of 10 million pad drive.
As much as we are trying to empower girl child, it's high time as the society we also do gender balance, because we need to make sure we are raising a society that a boy child will mind about a girl child and the girl child will mind about the boy child. By doing so, I'm sure we'll have a very productive generation.
Jopuonjre county ma